Hey, what's going on, world? What's up, Milwaukee? Yeah, this your boy C. Smith, Black Cheddar Entertainment. And we live on the sound check, Milwaukee Tap. That's what it do. We making money, not excuses. And how you ride? Yeah, whip, ride by, sitting high while I'm getting by. Music hitting high, make the groupies wanna get inside. Whip, ride by, sitting high while I'm getting by. Music hitting high, make the groupies wanna get inside. Groupies wanna get inside. Whip, ride by, yeah, whip, ride by, sitting high while I'm getting by. Yeah. Yo, sound check, Milwaukee Tap. We doing it live for Black Cheddar. Hey, okay, you see me ride by, I'm styling on them, fly from dome to feet, riding like I own the streets, man, you can hear my motor scream. The tents, ride through hater sets, make sure they notice me. Better yet, let the top drop back so all the girls can see. Roll up, past the good, so clean, shorty, she gotta look. You can hop inside if you divide what's in your pocketbook. Let her in and met her friend, found out that she was... If you out, get introduced to Cuckoo Cali 7M. Traffic through your town, I'm causing mayhem in your residence. So if I ain't up in the whip, I'm whipping up the medicine. And they ain't with that woulda, coulda, shoulda. You telling them, me, I'm riding high, doing things you players never did. Whip, ride by. Music hitting high, make the groupies wanna get inside. Whip, ride by, sitting high while I'm getting by. Music hitting high, make the groupies wanna get inside. Groupies wanna get inside. Whip, ride by, yeah, whip, ride by, sitting high while I'm getting by. Music hitting high, yeah, music hitting high, make the groupies wanna get inside. Whip, ride by, yeah. You doing it live? This what's up, Milwaukee Tap. Sound check, it's Black Cheddar Entertainment. New single, Whips Ride By, check it out in the streets.